No let up in the roller coaster ride. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. The big headline story for me right now, the Russell implied to move 6.6% up or down next week. Watch out for that. We're seeing the Russell down here at 1438, a move of 3% to the downside. Keep in mind, it was this year the Russell was close to 1,700. The ratio on the tape so far, and this is very fluid, one call trading for every 2.2 puts. A lot of adjusting is happening right now in the market today. All of this is happening despite a stunning jobs report. 273,000 jobs added and the unemployment rate at 3.5%. It's all about coronavirus. Well, some of the itty-bitty biotechs in the Russell are big gainers. A couple of names here. Novavax, that stock making a big move this year. Vir Biotechnology up more than 200%. Co-Diagnostics up 1,300%. Coming up next on Trader Talk. Mark Sebastian of Options But Mentoring joins me now. What's your take on this market in the Russell?
Well, I gotta say, the market is selling off like we're gonna have some sort of recessionary action over the next year or so. A lot of uncertainty out there. The Russell 2000, a lot of banking, a lot of energy. Rates are getting crushed. Energy is getting crushed, so likewise the Russell 2000. I would point out, though, the RVX, the VIX of the Russell 2000, is actually below the regular VIX and the VIX of the NASDAQ 100. That is an extremely rare thing. Tends to point toward the market getting a little oversold. Over the last 3 years, the low in the Russell is about 1266. I can sell an April 1250 put, which is still a couple $100 out of the money, and get like almost $30 out of it. That's like a 2% yield, $200 out of the money. That looks like a really interesting sale in the Russell 2000. If I want to go out to June, I'm getting like $50 for that trade. So that's how expensive volatility is. That's how expensive skew is now. So if I'm willing to put a leg out and willing to invest here, there's some really interesting values here in the Russell 2000.
Good to have you here. Great Trader Talk, Mark. That's our F now. I'm Angela Miles. Stay safe and have a great weekend, everybody.